So you want to create HubSpot contacts from MailChimp subscribers. But how will you do it? That's where Automate.io comes in. It's a simple tool to connect your favorite web apps like HubSpot, MailChimp, and many more. To begin, visit this page, click on our use case box,
and click on the Get Started button.
On the Add Account screen, you will add your HubSpot and MailChimp accounts to Automate.io. Authorize these apps by clicking on the Add button and entering your credentials. We always keep your data secure with bank-level encryption. After successfully authenticating your apps, you will land on the Configure page. On this page, you will configure the specific data that you want to transfer
from MailChimp to HubSpot.
First, let's focus on MailChimp, our trigger app. It tells us when you want your automation to start. For this automation to work, you need to fill in the right value in the required input fields. For this MailChimp use case, the required field is list/audience. Here, we will select the list where your updated HubSpot contact is created. And now coming to HubSpot, our action app, which tells us what the end result you want from your automation is. Remember, you can change these actions for different use cases as well. For this automation to work, you need to fill in the right value in the required input field. For this HubSpot use case, the required input field is contact email. Here, we will enter the email address of the contact we wish to receive the email. And here, we can map out data from MailChimp that gives our HubSpot database a richer context like this. We can also map groups or interests of the subscriber to HubSpot so that your customer outreach is crafted
according to the customer interests.
Once we have all of our desired mapping complete, we will click Done to proceed to the next stage. In this stage, you will test your newly created automation, which we will call a bot. So let's now test our bot by updating a MailChimp subscriber. And now move to the dashboard of Automate.io. Perfect. And if we check our HubSpot contacts, we can now see a newly updated HubSpot contact. So if you'd like to try out this automation quickly, click on the link in the description below. And remember, we're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly at help@automate.io. And don't forget to subscribe to us.